Welcome to my new listing at 4 Stillwaters Trail. This home is located at the preserve at Lay Lake, offers magnificent lake views, and is situated on just over an acre. It offers 4 bedrooms and 4 baths, and according to tax records is about 4,500 square feet. The kitchen is open to the great room, perfect for entertaining. It offers granite countertops, tile backsplash, and cherry cabinetry, as well as a Samsung stainless steel appliance package. The great room offers cathedral ceilings as well as tons of natural lighting and breathtaking lake views. As you can see, this open floor plan is perfect for entertaining. The main level master suite offers a huge walk-in closet as well as great lake views and hardwood flooring. The master bathroom offers a marble top Jack and Jill style vanity as well as large jetted garden tub and separate shower. Offers a massive rear deck, perfect for your morning cup of coffee or summertime barbecue. You've got a great lake view here as well as pier for your boat. Thank you for visiting my new listing at 4 Stillwaters Trail. If you'd like additional information on this property, feel free to give me a ring.